Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday. You guys, I have a lot to do. First off, let me show you this. All of my wigs are sold. Those that you see right there are my personal wigs. So I have to make more wigs, and I'm gonna start doing those tomorrow because today I'm gonna concentrate on the house. And I'm gonna go to Bed Bath & Beyond and find a white duvet because I want a white duvet because I want to put spring colors on pillows, like get a bunch of different color spring color pillows. That's what I'm gonna do, take those down, put the spring colors up. And I already have the curtains of the spring colors that I want. Excuse my hair. This side right here, the ear tab was coming up. So I had to secure the tab, y'all, secure the tab. Okay, and I forgot to bring the light down. And this was my Christmas. I was going to Winter Wonderland theme. So I'm gonna take these colors and these curtains, the pillows and the curtains upstairs to my room. That's gonna give that spring vibe. And then you guys saw when I think you guys saw when I was in Walmart and I got these right here. I'm not too cool with the flowery leaf things, but it's cool because it matches, you know, everything and their theme. So yeah. Oh, and did you guys see my little Easter display? I need to go upstairs and get my light. I thought I forgot to get it when I was upstairs. But all I'm doing today is washing dishes. I'm getting ready to wash dishes, mopping my kitchen floor. Well, I might not mop the kitchen floor. And then I'm gonna go to Bed Bath & Beyond. No, I might go to the gym first and then Bed Bath & Beyond to look for a white duvet. And that's it, you guys. And I don't know what I'm going, whatever I cook, I'm gonna, you know what? I can make some tacos and then upload it for Taco Tuesday tomorrow. Be ahead of the game, be ahead of the game. Okay, that's it for now. Okay, you guys, I was going to get different colors for my bedroom, but I figured the colors that were downstairs in the living room of the shears and stuff was a good color for spring. And it's also my favorite color. So what I did was I took the brown ones down and then I put the ones that were downstairs upstairs. Saved a lot of money doing that too, you guys. I don't know, my voice sounds a little bit raspy right now. I've been coughing all night long. My asthma's been acting up, but not really bad, but enough for my voice to be sounding like it sounds. So what I'm gonna do now is transform my bedroom to spring colors. Okay guys, this is what it looks like so far. It just brightened it up when you added the spring colors. Turn my TV around. And I have to clean this TV. I hate cords. Clean my TV like I just said. Let me put my fan back over here because I can't sleep without my fan on. But yeah, so far this is what I have. TV. Gonna have to get a different comforter because this is like my winter type of comforter, dark colors. So I'm really hoping that I can find a all white duvet or an all white comforter at Bed Bath & Beyond. And that's it. I'll be back, you guys. Okay, you guys, I found like a velvet, it's not a comforter, it's a blanket that matches the theme. I still want my white duvet though, and I'm gonna find that duvet. It's hard finding a duvet in California King. So I put that on there with the white little throw, and it all came together, you guys. I like it so far. I still have to get a rug for underneath that table. And I'm gonna do that sometime. To be honest, let me tell you guys a little secret, okay? I recorded this video in about a month and a half ago. And then I said I'll finish it when I get the rug and everything. And I was taking my time getting the rug. I wasn't even really rushing or anything like that. So you guys will see what it looks like. Okay, guys, I did a little extra to my room. These are bath mats, but they were too small. for my bathroom. So I put them on both sides of the bed. Of course, you guys saw the pillows already, but I took the other picture down and I put these pictures up. And then I added pillows to my sofa. And then I also added a rug. You guys saw the panels and the shears. And that's it. And then the little Christmas rugs, because my theme for Christmas was like frozen, icy. So I brought those rugs up here, put that right there, and that right there. And these are the other rugs that went to that, but these are not gonna be in here. I have two big white fluffy rugs that are gonna be in here. Yep, that's it, you guys, for this. And I'm finally gonna put this vlog up. And then look, you guys, I said, this is my favorite part of my house. This is my beauty room. This and my beauty room. I sit here, watch TV, and I put this here just to make it look like a little bar area. And then for this, I'm gonna get some different color. I'm gonna get some like spring color flowers, because this is my fall color flowers, and a big candle. That's it. Oh. And I told you my grandkids don't let me be great. I just can't have nothing. Look, toys. 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 I'm about to take these toys right back in this room. But anyway, you guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Again, you guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And as usual, stay blessed.